unreal.
I did good. That is a good smile there.
Oh my goodness. Thanks, Pub.
Thanks. Scotty.
You're like, oh wait, we pass that every day?
Yeah.
Yep. The city will never look the same to us.
Oh, even dozens.
It's like the best way to ride past the police station.
You go there often?
No. No, I do not. Thank God.